Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to turn off notifications on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp, and now on the top right you'll find these three dots. Tap on this, and after that go to settings. Now to turn off notification, tap on this notifications over here. And after that, you can see here is conversation tones. It is turned on. Tap on this and turn this off. After that, just scroll down. Here is use high priority notifications. Also turn this off. Here is reaction notifications. Just tap on this and turn this off. And again, scroll down. And over here, you can see use high priority notifications. Turn this off. Also reaction notifications, turn this off. And also over here on this group, you'll find this pop-up notifications. Tap on this and now tap on this no pop-up. So if you turn this all off, you'll no longer receive any notifications from WhatsApp. So in this simple way, we can turn off all notifications from WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.